Hi, good morning to everyone. Morning. How are you? Good, nice. This is Dr. A. Venkateshwar Naidu, working as Associate Professor, Department of English, PBR WITS Kavali. Today, I would like to explain you how to introduce oneself to others. It is very important and most important topic for you. So it is the topic which we have to practice hours together, the laboratory session. First year BTech laboratory session. We have the ELCS lab in first BTech, where this is practiced most of the time. Why? Because you are from different and different backgrounds, irrespective of your marks. In the last year, I think I had a better experience. I asked a student who got more than 95 marks. I asked him to say something about his family and himself, but he was unable to open his mouth. Even his marks were very high because of the fear in him. He was very fearful. He had no practice, lacking of practice. Because lacking of practice, he was unable to open and say something about himself, like name, parents, siblings, marks, courses, achievements, etc. This is a better experience I had in the previous classes. So that I want to tell you, it is very important topic. So every one of you carefully frame a draft about yourself. Why? Because it is the question, it is a fact. Fact means frequently asked question. Whenever you have your placements, recruitment, there it is the first question they will ask you, where you are asked to say something about yourself. A minute or 2 minutes without any pauses, they listen how you are telling. Okay, good, understand? Okay, today's topic is introduce yourself. It's very important. If you are able to say something about yourself without any ambiguity, without any pauses, definitely I say you will be selected in the campus placements. So that it is known as, it is the first fact. 50% success is brought by this. If you are able to speak, if you are able to say something about yourself very clearly, without any hesitation, without any ambiguity, very clearly, 50% of success you will have. Okay, right? I hope you understand. Come to the point. So, introducing yourself and others. At the time of introducing yourself, every one of us has to keep some elements in mind. So now I am going to I am going to show you the elements what we have to follow while giving our details. See, the first thing is about yourself. It is about yourself. The first element is name. The second element is place. Next one is family. Next one is education. Next one is achievements. Next one is hobbies. Next one is strength and weaknesses. Next one is extracurricular activities. Next one is goals. At the time of giving your details or writing something about yourself, one has to keep all these elements in mind. These elements are more than enough to get success. So let me repeat you again. Name, place, family, education, achievements, hobbies, strength or weaknesses like positives or negatives, extracurricular activities. So I want my dear students, all of you follow these elements to make a text about yourself. Name, general expressions. Name. How can we say, how can we start, my name is, this is, etc. We can use any one of them. We can use any one of them. My name is, I am, this is from, I belong to, etc. Any one of the sentences suggested by me, you can use, you can make use of them. Like my name is, I am, this is, I belong to, my native, etc. When we come to second one, place. I am from, I come from, I was born and brought up in, I was born in, but now I live in. These are the phrases we use. Any one of the phrases we can use. While saying about your family, my father is, my mother is, I have one brother and I have one sister, I have two sisters, I am the only child to my parents. While giving your parents' details, first your name, first thing your name, I am from, next your father, what are they, who are they, and what are they, your father name, your father occupation, mother's name, mother's occupation, you have any brother or sister, who are they and what are they, etc. We have to keep these points in mind while giving something about yourself. The next one is education. After giving your family details, next we move to education. We have to say when did we pass 10th class? How many marks we got? When did we pass intermediate? How many marks you secured in intermediate? These things we have to mention in the column of education. I completed. I am doing my graduation. I am about to graduate. I have done a course in etc. Achievements. So 1 year prize for essay writing competition, 1 year medal for long jump, received a prize for social services, achievement, any achievement you have, any prizes, any awards, any Pratibha awards, any distinctions you can mention there under achievements. Achievements will increase your weight. Likes and dislikes and hobbies. Your interests, your hobbies will be stated here. I like watching movies. I spend my early hours in gardening. I love to eat chocolates. I am really fond of chocolates. I spend my leisure time chatting with friends. I don't like traveling. These are the likes and dislikes. I think your likes and dislikes may be different. Please you write your dislikes and your likes. Your positives and strengths, your strengths and weaknesses. Now we are going to know strengths and weaknesses. How strengths and weaknesses will be written, will be told. Basically, I am a hardworking person. This is my strength. I like helping others. This made me make a lot of friends. Maybe your strength. I think creatively, and this made me more strong. Negatives and weaknesses. I'm a bit lazy. This always drags me back. I am poor at listening. This sometimes becomes a big drawback for me. Goals. I think you may have two goals. Do you have the goals? Anybody in the class who is not having the goal? I think every one of you who joined BTech should have the goal. You set a goal. Goals are short-term goal and long-term goal. My goal is to become an entrepreneur. I dream of becoming a CEO for a reputed company. Maybe your goals. Sample introduction. See the sample introduction. This is name, your place, your hobbies, your weaknesses, your weaknesses, and your achievements, etc. Let me read the introduction. Hi, I am Suman. I am from Haryana. I enjoy playing cricket and reading fiction. I used to be very nervous of speaking in public. I got over when my class nominated me to speak at the school farewell party. Initially, I was hesitant, but gradually gained confidence. This is a personal achievement. I am proud of it. Introducing others. Hi, this is Srujan. He is from Mumbai. He likes playing hockey on bouncing net. He represented his school at inter-school cultural activities. How to introduce others in a conversation? Let us see. Have you two met each other? No, we have not yet. Rahul, this is John. John, this is Rahul. Behind smile and shake hands. Nice to meet you, John. Nice to meet you too, Rahul. Sample conversation. Sumit, hi, my name is Sumit Desai, the new manager. Adit, hi, I am Adit Vinay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Sumant. Sumit, Adit, please meet Mr. Saurav, my assistant. Adit, how do you do? Saurav, how do you do? General expressions to introduce others in a conversation. Jack, please meet Nicholas. Jack, have you met Nicholas? I would like to you meet Lisa. I would like to introduce you to Betty. Layla, this is Barbara. Barbara, this is Layla. Nice to meet you. Replies to introduction. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Happy to meet you. How do you do? I think every one of you has understood. This is most important topic. It is the most important activity where we spend hours together in the laboratory session to make every student to speak at least 2 or 3 minutes without any pauses about themselves. So every one of you should keep all these things in mind at the time of giving something about yourself. Like the things we have to keep in mind is place, name, place, parents, their occupation, their names. You have any brother or sister? Their names, their occupation. Next one is education. When did you complete your studies? How many marks you got? And your achievements. Have you won any prizes or awards? Have you received any awards? Will be stated there. Achievements. Next one. Hobbies. Your hobbies, punctuality, hard working, like etc. known as hobbies. Next one is strength and weaknesses. Strength, your strength may be working hard and etc. These are known as they have one has to keep all these things in mind and write a good text about yourself. Thank you very much.